Hello everyone, on this video I will show you guys how I made this multi-step bricks builder, and it is really easy, just JavaScript, HTML, nothing else, and a little bit CSS if you need it. So of course it has multi-step and it has a bar. It is automatically calculated and it is automatic. It can be like 5-step, 10-step, doesn't matter. It is just automatic, like completely dynamic. You just need to give the form ID and it will do the rest. Let me show you really easy. So let's create a, actually I did create a form. Let's add some fields and split them. So as you know, Bricks Builder already has some HTML inputs. We can use this to create anything really. So to split the forms, we just need to add this span data, like HTML field, add the HTML field and add this data split point. That's it. You don't need to add anything else. By the way, HTML field is like really powerful. You can use it for other stuff. Usually multi-step forms like need to have some titles, need to have some paragraph like text. You can make some descriptions between the steps. I think you can use this HTML for that too. Keep it in mind, like it is really well. And we can just write desk here and split here. Since these labels, like if you don't use it, I usually don't enable it honestly, because placeholder is always better, and make your placeholder a little bit visible, and that's it. Like you don't need to use labels, and it looks more sexy. I don't know, I use it like this usually. And if you do that, you can write your labels and then you can see which one is split, which one is description, and only thing you need to do is just duplicate, split. Let's add another input, duplicate, split. Okay, and we don't have to add the last split if you don't want, of course. So let's save it. Let's see it on the front end. For now, like we have just normal form, and let's add our code element. Let's add our script, copy, paste, save, refresh. And oh, of course, we need to give the ID, copy the ID, form ID, and then paste it here. It refresh, and then now we have multi-step form. Oh, by the way, I forgot adding form on the first step, but actually it looks nice. Like give the description first. Like most of the multi-step starts like this anyway. Like you don't see the input on the first step. You usually see some description and start filling. By the way, if you like, this is great. Let's say I didn't fill this right, but I can skip it. But if I make this required field, like let's make it required, fresh, and then if I don't fill it, see, it is native, so it forces me to fill the form. So it is just working as expected. So and then let's add another step. Okay, let's add another step. Split, make one more split. Let's make description. That's it. Let's make this as a last step. So last step doesn't need a form. What I want to do is, like on the second option, there is another feature, like this script and this script, only different is between them just this form output. So what is this form output? Really easy actually, really fun. Let me add this as a div class. Okay, form output, of course, write it correctly. By the way, don't fear from HTML, guys. Like writing a couple line of HTML or CSS is fine, okay, to understand everything about web. So form output, and then we need to change the code. Do that. Of course, I need to copy the ID because I just changed it. That's it. And then because of that output, now I will see my answers automatically at the end of the form. How about that? Like, this is great. Like, this is amazing. By the way, I didn't spend much time like styling this buttons on purpose. So if you want to style it, like they each have a button progress class and preview and next. Like you can even make this green, make this red. Like you can even select them separately. I think about that as well. And top of that, you can change the bar color. Really, really easy. This should be it. Let's check. Yep, red. Easy. Really easy to change these colors as well. Okay. So that's it. I just want to show like it is possible to make native and really powerful functional multi-step form with Bricks Builder, and it only takes how many lines? I don't know, 50 lines of JavaScript, like easy. When you have like when you have like this AI, like this type of stuff, so easy, guys. It is amazing. It's fun. Anyway, see you guys on the next video. Bye.